Hello everyone and welcome to the Rlaarlo workshop. Today we are going to show you how to install the JK07 trailer hinge upgrade. The trailer hinge comes pre-assembled from the factory with two fixing screws. The tools you will need are a 2.5 hex key and a hex wrench and the 2.0 hex key. We will open the car body and remove the two fixing screws at the rear. The long screws on the right come with the hinge, and the screws on the left is the one you just removed from the car. We will directly replace it during the installation. The hole on the hinge can be adjusted to change the length or height of the retractable hinge as needed. The ball head on the top can snap into a suitable hinge ball cap to tow other equipment. We simply need to align the entire hinge with the holes at the rear to tighten with the screw. The long screws fix the top hole and the shorter screws fix the bottom hole. This completes the installation. That's all for the installation of the JK07 trailer hinge. Welcome back to Rlaarlo workshop.